Good morning, students. Today in English grammar, today's session is English grammar. Now we will recall our second chapter, naming words. Let us do a quick revision on it. First, naming words. You have to name the things which you can see. It's called naming words. Okay? Name these things. First is done. A ball. A ball. Because I told you that day, A, you have to see the consonant or vowel at the first letter. B, it doesn't come in vowel, A, E, I, O, U. That's why we put a in before ball. Then, a bat, a box. Name these people. A doctor, a girl, then a boy, right? Then name this place. A shop, a park, a house. Name this animal. A cow, a cat, a dog. So you can see it name, things, people, place, animal. These all are noun. Right? Now turn the page. Let us see. Words that tell us the names of people, animal, place or thing are called naming words. They are also called as noun. Any name, place, animal, thing, it's called naming words. Or in short, it's also called a noun. What is noun? If somebody has a noun is any name, place, animal, thing. Let us do next. Here are pictures of some animals. Choose the correct naming words. Naming words means choose the correct noun for it from the strip. Write it below each picture. The words are monkey, tiger, lion, horse, sheep, zebra. Okay. The first one you can see a horse. So what do you write? A is written. You have to write HORSE, horse. Number 2, a monkey. Number 3, a sheep, SHEEP. Number 4, a tiger. Number 5, a zebra. Number 6, a lion. So these are all naming words of noun. Which naming word? These are all of name of the animals. Let us see next. Tick the boxes beside the correct word to name these people. Who dances on stage? A cook, a dancer, a dentist, a singer. So who dances at the stage? A cook is cooking. Dentist see the teeth. The doctor of teeth is called dentist. A singer sings the song. So who dances? A dancer. Let us take it. Who mends our broken shoes? A doctor, a tailor, a cobbler, or a grocer? Who mends our broken shoes? A cobbler. Who looks after the sick people? A cobbler, a tailor, a teacher, or a nurse? A nurse. Right? Who teaches in the school? A mother, a teacher, a poem, a peon, a carpenter, a teacher. Who looks after the plants in our garden? A gardener, a chemist, a driver, a doctor, a gardener. Right? Next, the name of the few places are given in column B. in column A are the name of some people and what they do in those places. Match the two columns. Okay. A column is given and B is, so in A column some people are doing some work. So you have to match in the B column. First see, Rima plays in, where she want to play? In library, a park, a palace, the post office or the field. She plays in the park. The king sits in his palace. Ravi buys stamp for the post office. The farmer works in the field. Rita gets storybooks from, we get storybook from library. Okay. Then look at the picture, then fill in the blanks with correct naming words. A picture is given, you have to fill the dashes. Okay. Number 1, you can see a monkey and with eating a banana. So a dash is eating a dash. So a monkey is eating a banana. Number 2, a tree and a dog and a puppy sitting under the tree. So a dash and its dash are sleeping under a dash. A dog and its puppy are sleeping under a tree. Then a lion sitting outside his cave. So a dash is sitting outside its dash. So a lion is sitting outside its den. A house of a lion is called den. Turn the page. A girl and a boy is going to school. So a dash and a dash are going to dash. So a girl and a boy are going to school. Next, there is an orange in a basket, you can see. There is an orange and in a basket, right? A duck is there in a pond, you can see. A duck is swimming in a pond, right? Complete the sentence. Fill in the blanks with suitable naming words. Words are given: soap, camera, pillow, watch, pencil. Whichever you can see the picture and where it is suitable, write it down. First is done. I want a camera to click a photo. For clicking a photo, we want a camera. Next, I need dash to wash my dirty face. What we need to wash our dirty face? We use soap. Then, number 3. Please teach me to tell the time in a, where we see the time? We see the time in a watch or a clock. I need a dash to write my name. I need a pencil to write a name. We write from pencil or a pen, right? I want to sleep. Please give me a pillow. Now, look at the string of letters given below. There are some naming words hidden in it. Circle the words, write them in a blanks under the correct picture. Here some words are given and the picture are given. You have to circle it and write it down in a dash. First is done. DOG dog. The DOG dog is here. Next is king. 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 So you write it down. KING. Number third is monkey. MONKEY. Number fourth is piano. PIANO. So PIANO. Next is parrot. PARRROT. Right? Next, what is common noun? The name we use to talk about any person, place, animal, thing in general are called common noun. Chair, orange, tree, girl, house, some are common noun. So common noun always begin with small letter. Okay. Here common noun means it doesn't have a particular name. Means if I say that girl means I have not named that girl. Okay, I only said that girl. It may be any girl. Okay, it is common. Park, which park? If I say I am in the park, which park? If I say the name RK Park, VK Park, so it has a proper. But common means I am up in a park. Park is everywhere. The park is a common noun. Like chair, table. If I say that chair, and if I say only chair, that means any of the chair, right? That is called common. Common letter, common name is written in small letter. Special name. All us have name. I am Tom. What is your name? My name is Sahiba. Tom is a special name of this boy, and Sahiba is a special name of a girl. Both is a special name because name is it. If I say I am a boy, he say I am a boy, तो ये common होता, right? Next, animal and places have special name. Jumbo, Jackie, Delhi and Mumbai. These are all special names. Okay? Place and animal. अगर animal and places के नाम sometime have special name. Month of the year, days of the week, special day is also in a special name, like January, February, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These are special name. Special name are also known as proper name. Special name always begin with capital letters. Fill in the blanks will require information about you and your family members. Your name, write your name. You have to fill your information here in a capital letter. The first letter should be capital. Your mother name, your father name, your brother name, your sister name. So fill it up by yourself. Okay. Then circle the special name. Write them on a line below. Remember the beginning each special name with a capital. All the special name is written in a capital letter. Right? Then any name is there. Here Sachin. So write it in a capital S. S should be capital SACHIN. Then here Sonia. S capital SONIA. Right? Then Monday. MONDAY because this is special name of the days. America. France. June, February, Mumbai, Diwali, Friday, let us see which left. Sonia, Monday. Okay, Holi is left. Holi. Right? Then you have to do a crossword puzzle. Complete the crossword with the name of things you find in classroom. The picture clues will help you. Here across and down. Okay? So let us see number 2. Where is number 2 is here. So it is BOOKS books. Then number 5 here. It is number 5 is a duster. Number 7 teacher, TACHER teacher. Then number 8 chair, CHAIR chair. Right? Number 9 desk, DESK desk. Across I have solved. Let's see down. Number 1 is chalk, done. Number 3 is blackboard, BLACKBOARD board. Then number 4 students, STUDENTS. And last one is pencil, PENCIL. So please complete the chapter in textbook. Right? Thank you everyone.